Hey everybody, welcome back to my page. Not my page, but my channel. Today I wanted to do a look and a review on the Pinky Rose Bright Lights palette. It is the Spotlight collection. Again, this is by the Pinky Rose Cosmetics. This is the palette. It finally came back in stock in my store, and when I went to the store, it was there. I only had intentions on buying their eyelashes because I love their eyelashes. I never saw any brand that came close to being as good as Pinky Rose eyelashes. So yeah, I'm gonna do a look with this palette. So if you want to see how it comes out, keep on watching. Okay guys, I am back. So I washed my face using my favorite black soap. And I'm not gonna list my items in my description box at this time. I will probably in the future, but I will not be doing it at this time. But I will put it close up to the camera so you guys can screenshot and whatnot. This is the lotion that I use, e.l.f. And I also use this for my face. Facial spray. And as you can see, I did my eyebrows using this. It's called the Bella Perry Cosmetics Brow Gels. I have the color Licorice. It's like a dark brown color. And yep, this is how it looks. I believe it's $20, but I get mine from eBay for $10. So, okay, so I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyes using the Ulta Beauty Full Coverage concealer for my eyes, and I'm going to start dipping into the palette. Okay, just so you guys know, with this yellow, not this yellow, but with this green, when you first apply it, pack it on first, and then once you pack it on, then blend it out, and I find that the color will pop more when you do that. So I'm gonna finish this eye and keep rolling with it. So next I'm going to go in with the Tiki. It's like a red color, and I'm just going to put it in my crease, and I'm going to go in, you know, light and then build it up. So let's see. So the red is not as bright as I would like it, but I'm going to keep packing it on, and maybe that makes a difference. We'll see. Okay, so now that I packed the color on, I am going to blend the two colors together. So hopefully this works for me. So I blended these two colors, and just so you guys know, I will include pictures just in case my camera is not catching up these eye colors. But the green pops really well. It's just that this pink that I chose to do it with, well, this red, it's not as vibrant as I would like it to be. So I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease and, you know, finish on. Okay, that turned out pretty good. So I finished this look. I really should have picked a different type of glitter, but we'll see how this turns out. So, let's keep on doing this. Okay, so I'm not having any luck with this purple, so I really don't want to waste any more time on this. Oh, I really should have went with the Take Me to Brazil palette. I love the glitter, and the green is very beautiful. I probably would just have to use these as transition shades for when I do my bright, colory looks. But yeah, I'm not going to continue. As you can see, like, you saw my other makeup looks. They look very better than this, and this makes me look like I'm just don't know what I'm doing. So I'm not going to continue any further. So sorry about that. That's my son. I let him come in here because he's bored. So okay, so I re-primed my eyes and re-added the green. So now I guess I'm going to go in with this blue color and see what I get. And as you can see, I'm going to have to take some time to blend this in, so I'll be right back. So I applied these two colors together. I applied the blue in the crease. Now I'm just going to blend it so that there's no harsh lines. Okay, so I blended these two. Now I'm about to go ahead and cut my crease again, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now I'm about to put eyeliner on to hopefully fix this look because I'm not good with glitter. So one moment. Hey guys, welcome back. I just completed the look. I have to hurry up before my camera cuts off because I don't have any more space. But okay, let's get into this palette. So I had to do the look twice. So I liked the green. I did not like these two colors because the payoff was not as great as it was in the pan. In person, these colors are more brighter and more vibrant. I did start over using this color and this color, and I liked the look. I do recommend this look for probably to people who is just starting off in makeup. Also, if you are good with makeup, you're gonna find this kind of too tedious because you're gonna have to build and build and build to get the color you want. But I do recommend this palette if you don't mind doing the extra work to achieving the look that you want. Also, the glitters, I liked the glitters. The only thing is they're very soft and they do move in the pan, but they don't come out. Also, when I did my eyelid, oh my gosh. Okay, let's start this over again. Take one, motherfucker. Okay, so I used the NYX glitter glue, and that worked well for me. That's what I now use for all my eyelid looks, is the glitter glue. So also, if I left out anything, please feel free to comment and I will get back to you. Also subscribe if you want to see any more of my videos. Thanks so much guys, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!